So I don't actually have an LPS to start this, but oh. Hey guys, it's me, Rubython. So today I'm going to be making a video of my second unboxing video, which is these. Alright, so I already... What would you say? No. Okay, so I already have this pug, but we're just going to open it. So we're just going to review it, but I'm going to actually show you the checklist this time. So I can open it. This is so hard. The struggles of death. Alright. I thought I finally opened it. Okay. So I got that, and we just gotta do this list now. How? Okay. Sorry guys, I'm so bad at reviewing. But, yeah. Alright, so we got these two. So we'll put these aside and put this aside. We're going to start reviewing. We're going to start off with the checklist. Oops. Alright. What? Oh my gosh. I love checklists. I already have this checklist, but I'm just going to review it to you. Whoa, they have completely changed the checklist. Okay, so one thing I noticed that they changed about was that it's longer like this. Instead of a big on the back. Instead of on the back, they want to show anymore here. What you can talk. So we're gonna find ours in here, and the number is 128. So we'll find it. And he's in the dog aisle. So 128. 120. Okay. I can't seem to find it though. Something has gone on wrong. I can't seem to find it. Oh well, the checklist is done. We don't need to do anymore. Okay. We're gonna start off reviewing the pug. I'm actually going to customize this, and they actually bring back the old LPS marker, which just said LPS. And as you see, he's a bobblehead, and he has he's fuzzy. I wish you guys could feel it. He's so fuzzy. And I just love LPS pugs because they're so cute. And this is probably one of my second pugs because I'm going to be customizing this one. Yeah. And my nails are chipped, and they look disgusting. Anyway, we are done reviewing you, so I can use you. Yeah! Yes! Okay. Yeah. I don't know what we need to do. Okay. Now we're going to be reviewing the big one. Vertebrates! Just kidding. So, this is the thing that it is. It's so big, and we're just gonna open it up, and it comes with a checklist, and yeah, let's start opening it. Ouch! Oh no! And no, it has tape. Hate those tape things. Don't worry, I have a cord here, and we're just gonna use it. Yeah. Ouch. Okay, and I can't really get it open. I'm so sorry. Ouch. This takes forever. It's so hard. Okay, finally. No, I can't be ripping you. Okay, let's... Alright, I think we almost got it. The struggle of tape. And we do. So we're going to take this out. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, that's so much stuff. Doesn't it come with a checklist? Don't you? Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention this is a Toys R Us, only at Toys R Us exclusive. Yeah. So we're gonna be opening it, and we're gonna be using the checklist I just thrown. Yeah, we're gonna open it. If I can just pause this. Alright. It's so hard. We'll start it back. This dolphin is so... What is a whale? Oh, I don't know. So we got one out. Oh, it's so adorable. Ah, little cute. Oh, it comes with teensy weensy ones. Ow, which are hard to get out. Okay, this is going to probably take a while, so... Yeah, I'm just going to pause it. Okay, so far I got like 3 out, so I'm just gonna open the rest on camera. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that one last, and this one last. Okay, we'll try these. They're the easiest. This was one easy. All these are adorable. Oh, they're all so adorable. Right now, like, it's like raining right now in South Carolina, which would be a good day to just relax and chill out and just make a video. So, some of these are going my way. Oh, I love huskies. They're so cute. Oh, I love this one. Ah, it's so adorable. I'm getting out of hand. Is this a deer? Please tell me it's a moose. Please tell me it's a moose. Please tell me it's a moose. And it is. Oh, it's so adorable. Okay, so... Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay. I actually realized, like, it's been such a long time since me making videos. So I just decided to do a toy reviewing. Like, why not? I think this is a leopard. Like, the big ones are, like, so easy to pull out. These ones are so hard. Well, you aren't. Oh my gosh, this husky is, like, so hard to get out. Okay, we got it out. Okay, we're gonna be selling these one by one. Okay, first we have this super cute little moose. She is adorable. Like, look at her little face. Look at her little face. Look at how cute she is. Like, I'm gonna zoom in right now. How adorable this little girl is. She is so adorable. I love her little hair. She's just so cute. I love mooses. Like, so cute. Oh, I love her. And she has the LPS logo. And she's so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, I just love LPS mooses. Like, this is probably the first ever mooses I ever owned. Like, she's just so cute, and I love her little antlers, and she's just so adorable. Alright, next we have this super other cute little moose. I love this one. Like, he's so adorable. He has fuzzy antlers. Too bad this one doesn't, but it's this. I love mooses. They're just so cute and adorable and funny and dorky, just like me. So she can just go, he can go in. Yeah. Next, we have this adorable whale. So I already have a whale, like a dolphin. And it actually comes with this, like, it has a hole and you could, like, connect it in. For, like, if you're doing a water video, this is, like, perfect for you, like, perfect. And it's bouncy, like, and it's so adorable. I love, it's my favorite color, purple. And yeah, it's just so cute. Next, we have this little cute dolphin, again, or whale, or whatever you want to call it. And he's a boy. It's a boy. And he's so cute. He has purple eyes, like, I don't know what kind of color they are. Oh, keeps on dropping, stupid thing. Alright, so I'm so sorry to call you that. Anyway, so it's a cute little color. Yeah, so next we have this adorable penguin, or a pelican, I think it's a penguin, but it's just so cute, and I love its glitter on its head. It's like so pretty, and it's a bouncy, and it's purple and white, and it's just so cute. I love this one. Oh, her body's twisted. Alright, now we have this cute little other penguin. It's so cute, like, he's adorable. Like, I love penguins on real life, but in LPS version, they're, like, adorable, like, completely adorable. I love penguins. Yeah. Next, we have this little teensy-weensy baby penguin, like, if you, like, keep it, like, so far away, it is, like, so tiny. It's, like, the size of a rice. Like, it's, like, really hard for it to stand up. It's so cute. Yeah. Like, it's not even the size of my palm. It's not even the size of my pinky. It's, like, the tip of my pinky. Look. Oh, look how cute it is. And it's blue, so yeah, it's just gonna go here. Ah, you fell. Let me put you here. You won't stand up. You can just stay right there. Or just right there. Your legs really go down. Next, we have this little purple cheetah or leopard. I love this one. It's like probably really adorable. And it's amazing. It's so beautiful. I love this one. It's like so unique. It's so pretty. So she could just, oh no, the family fell. So we'll just stack them back up. Oops. The struggle of pain. You'll just stay here rolling around. You will stay up. Don't stay there. Okay. So, next one. Now we have this one. This beautiful fuzzy cheetah. No. Like, it's fuzzy. Like, it's so fuzzy. Like, it's really fuzzy. And, like, if I put my nail through it, it, like, gives me goosebumps. So, yeah. And she has green hazel eyes. Like, I love green. Green is one of my another favorite colors because it's like tealed. Yeah. So yeah, it's like so cute, and it has bubbles, and she can just go here with her other baby. Look how cute they look. So sorry if it's blurry. Okay. Next we have this another. Oh no, bounce out. Next we have this another baby duck. Look, like baby piglet. Look how small it is. It's the same size as that one. It's a piece of a rice, and it's adorable. Like completely unbelievable, adorable, and it's like so pretty thing. Yeah. So she can just go here. Next, we have this husky that is like unbelievably amazing. Like, it's so pretty, it's so amazing, it's so beautiful. I love huskies. Like, dogs are one of my number one favorite animals, and huskies are one of them. And they're like so cute. And the husky, it's so cute. And she's just gonna go like right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So when I saw this one, I completely fell in love with it. It's like this one. Can you tell who I'm zooming in? That's right. You guessed it. The deer family. Because you know why? I just zoom in more. It's because they have a tiny baby moose. Like, how adorable is that? Like, look how cute it is. It's completely adorable. It's so pretty. I love the baby mooses. They're like adorable. And it's like, it's so cute. And when I found out there was another one, I was like so happy. Oh, look how cute he is. Like, he's so adorable. I love the mooses. They're like so cute and dorky like me. I just said. Our last one is this unique, beautiful, amazing, unique, any kind of way you want to call it, amazing, beautiful husky. He is unique by his eye color, because all dogs are not the same eye color, because see, he has two different color eyes. That is so unique. Like, it's really unique to have different color eyes or a different birthmark or any kind. It's so unique. I love this one. It's so cute. My friend Emily, she loves huskies. Yeah. Okay, so my favorite one, I have like a whole bunch of favorites in this, so we're going to do from least to greatest. So for the least one is Come Up, Dolphins. You're in 5th place. Okay, so in 5th place is the Dolphins. They're like, I love them, but the only problem that bugs me is like this keeps on like falling out, and like you have no other way to hold it. Like, you can't like do this or do this. Or I tried doing this, but it keeps coming out. That's the only problem that bugs me. Yeah, so they're in 5th place. In 4th place is Penguins. Come on up. Even though the mama is really cute, and so is the family, I don't really like it because like they cannot stand up. See, like the babies, the child, the babies, these tiny weensy ones, they can barely stand up because they're so heavy, and it takes a lot of work for them to stand up. Yeah, so they're in 4th. In 3rd place is the cheetahs. Come on up. Alright, so the only problem that bugs me about this, because, like, I love cheetahs. They're, like, my second favorite animal. They're so cute. But the only problem bugging me is, like, when I, like, accidentally, like, put my nail, jab through its fur, it, like, gives me so much goosebumps. It hurts me, so that's why she's in third place. Alright, second, it's gonna be so hard because I love Husky and I love Theodore. Okay, so in second place is going to have to be... Whoa. Hold up, girl. Hold up. What are you doing here? I'm here to tell you the commenters should decide the husky and the bear and this one. Yeah. So you guys should decide. I'm sorry, but it's my decision. Well, not anymore. Oh, so sorry about that, guys. But in my opinion, I want you guys to give me your opinion in the comments below. Which one should be in second and first? This one should be in first, or this one should be in second, or this one should be in second. Comment down below. If, in my opinion, I would have to say, like, this one would have to be in second, because, like, I don't really like how it stands. Like, the husky, they're both very cute, but I just don't like it, because, like, I don't think this is another pet would attend for, because, like, she's just different from every single other pet I have. So they're in second, in my opinion. And in my opinion, again, I think the deer should be in first, because they're, like, so adorable, dorky, like me, and they are really lovable. Like, I love these mooses and deers. They're just so cute. Like, I love it. And they would be, like, they're so cute. And I love the baby mooses. They're, like, so cute. They look like little babies, because they are. And I just love these ones. So I want you guys to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications. Everything you do in my own original videos. I'm just going to say for people that are new, comment down below, subscribe, turn on the bell, and give it a thumbs up. So I want you guys to do it. And on the comments, you comment down below which one should be in first and which one should be in second. The husky or the deer. Comment down below. See you guys later. Bye.